Okay, I'm working on this Pyrex measuring cup. My wife has several of these, and the graduations have worn away. You can barely see them. And before throwing them out, I decided to try and do something to make the lines more visible. So I'm going to try to etch the glass with this Armour Etch glass chemical. It's an acid, and I can still see the graduation mark, so I'm going to try to mask off these marks and etch the glass. They're sort of visible sometimes. It depends on the conditions of the light. And I'm just going to do the main ones. The cups are the ones that she says she uses most of the time. So I'm going to put just a piece of tape on either side of the mark. It's also given me an idea to maybe 3D print, design something in 3D printed in a metal that would just stick down inside the cup, and you could read the amount that way. But trying not to make so much of a project out of it. Let's see. There's 1 cup, 2 cups, 1 cup. I guess I'll do the 1/2. And the 1.5, I'll do that one also. Then I'll make a barrier right in that area. It's important to get a good contact with the tape and the glass, so the acid won't go under the glass, under the tape. And I'm going to leave the acid on there pretty good while. I would say maybe an hour, and I'll keep agitating it also. It looks like a white paste, almost like a flour. It almost looks like Elmer's glue. So they warn you to use this, wear safety glasses and make sure you don't get it on your skin, and use it around water so you can rinse it off if you accidentally get it on you. So with the glass being etched, I think it'll be more visible, and also if I need to, I can put some paint. The paint would adhere to the etching better than just smooth glass. Or I could use like even a graphite pencil. So I've got the acid on there. And then it's probably a good idea to agitate this a little. I can feel the glass seems a little rough already. I can feel it. I'm gonna let that set for about an hour, and then I'll come back periodically and agitate it, and then remove it and rinse it off. So it's been about an hour, and I've agitated the acid solution several times. I'm going to rinse it off with water now before I try to remove the paint. I mean, rather remove the tape. I can definitely see the graduated marks there. A lot better than before. So after etching the Pyrex, I decided to fill in the etched areas with some permanent red enamel paint. And now the lines are very visible and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. And good luck with your projects.